Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Today we start with the topic magnetic field patterns. Write down magnetic field patterns produced by current carrying conductors. Current carrying conductors having different shapes. So beta, you are well known about the magnetic field pattern that is drawn with the help of bar magnet and compass. You know also the shape of that magnetic field pattern. Now here we use current carrying conductors. Current carrying conductors having different shapes. Means to say that करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर्स जिनका शेप क्या होगा, अलग अलग होगा, उनका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न भी क्या होता है, उनकी शेप भी क्या होती है, डिफरेंट होती है. सो डिफरेंट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय different shapes of current carrying conductors. First of all, we will study the magnetic field patterns by, write down, we will study magnetic field pattern due to first है straight current carrying conductor. Straight current carrying conductor or straight wire. Both are same. Straight wire. Second one is a circular loop or circular wire. A circular loop or circular wire. Note down बच्चे. And last one is third, a solenoid, that is a long coil of wire. Third one is solenoid, a long coil of wire. Carrying current. Note down beta. Okay, so we will discuss all these one by one. Write down first one, that is magnetic field pattern due to straight current carrying conductor. Magnetic field pattern due to straight current carrying conductor over here you can write it as straight wire. First of all, draw the diagram. Now here a wire AB and fixed cardboard sheet is fixed here. And that is connected with the battery, and second is here, just put a key. That one is your positive, that one is your negative. जो आपका वायर का सेंटर है बेटा, you just take it in center. That is this one. So here magnetic field pattern is in the shape of, that is the direction of current, this one is the direction here. That is a wire AB. Just name it A, B. So magnetic field pattern is in the shape of concentric circle. So you can write down magnetic field pattern due to current carrying conductor. Mention the word straight. Due to straight current carrying conductor or straight wire are in the shape of concentric circle. Concentric circles, बच्चे, what is concentric circles? Having the same center. Circles having the same center. So write down in brackets, circles having the same center. Means to say that जिनका सेंटर क्या होगा, सेम होगा. आप नंबर ऑफ सर्कल्स ड्रॉ कर दो, बट उनका सर्कल्स का सेंटर क्या होगा, सभी का 1 होगा, एक ही सेंटर. आर इन द शेप ऑफ कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बच्चे आपको शेप का तो पता चल गया, दैट इज स्ट्रेट करंट कैरिंग कंडक्टर की वजह से जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न आपका बनेगा वो किस फॉर्म में आएगा, कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स की फॉर्म में। राइट ऑन बेटा। Now here I little bit explain the diagram. AB is a wire और straight wire. AB क्या है आपका, straight wire और straight current carrying conductor that passes through a cardboard sheet given the name C. C is cardboard sheet या only write on cardboard. Connected with a battery or a switch. Both are connected or wire is connected with a cardboard or switch. Now when current is passed through wire, here iron filings arrange themselves in the form of circles. I repeat, when current is passed, here iron filings arrange themselves in the form of concentric circles. Right on बच्चे। Okay. नाउ हियर बेटा जो आपका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न का डायरेक्शन, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. When current is upward, direction of magnetic field lines are in anti-clockwise. Write down. When current is upward, direction of magnetic field lines are in anti-clockwise. And when you reverse the direction of current, means to say that downward, then direction of magnetic field lines are also get reversed. Write down, when current is downward, direction of magnetic field lines are in clockwise. Here two words are important. One is anti-clockwise and other one is clockwise. Current is upward, then direction is anti-clockwise, and current is downward, then direction is clockwise. Right on बच्चे। Okay. Next, it is shown by the experiments that magnetic field produced in straight current carrying conductor that depends on or directly proportional to the current. Write down strength of magnetic field. Strength of magnetic field produced in straight current carrying conductor is, first one is directly proportional to the current. Directly proportional to current. Second point is inversely proportional to the inversely proportional to the inversely proportional to the distance of that point from the wire. Distance of that point from the wire. नाउ मीनिंग क्या है बेटा, करंट की वैल्यू जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होती जाएगी, इंक्रीज, और जैसे जैसे करंट की वैल्यू डिक्रीज होगी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की स्ट्रेंथ भी क्या होगी, डिक्रीज होगी. मीन्स टू से दैट डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. इनवर्स मीन्स टू से दैट उल्टा. दैट वन इज जैसे जैसे डिस्टेंस बढ़ता जाएगा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ क्या होती जाएगी, वीक होती जाएगी. मीन्स टू से डिस्टेंस बढ़ रहा है तो स्ट्रेंथ क्या हो रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है, और डिस्टेंस कम हो रहा है तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ क्या हो रही है, इंक्रीज हो रही है. राइट डाउन लॉजिक. Okay. Now next bit of direction of magnetic field in straight current carrying conductor is found by the rule that is right hand thumb rule. Write down direction of magnetic field associated with straight current carrying conductor. Straight current carrying conductor is given by a right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. ना बेटा आपका राइट हैंड थंब रूल क्या है, we discuss here. First of all, if you hold straight current carrying conductor in your right hand and thumb gives the direction of current, thumb gives the direction of current here, just see, then the curved fingers then the curved fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. I repeat, when you hold straight current carrying conductor in your right hand, then the thumb gives the direction of current and curved fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. Just note down, when you hold straight current carrying conductor, straight current carrying conductor in your right hand, in your right hand, then thumb gives the direction of current, or if current is in the direction of thumb, then the thumb gives the direction of current and curved fingers and curved fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. Just see again, when you hold straight current carrying conductor in your right hand, then the thumb gives the direction of current and curved fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. Note down बच्चे. Last point बच्चे. Right hand thumb rule is also known as, just note down, a right hand thumb rule is also known as Maxwell corkscrew rule. Maxwell corkscrew rule. Note down बच्चे. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है बेटा आपका, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न ड्यू टू अ करंट थ्रू अ सर्कुलर लूप। मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न ड्यू टू अ सर्कुलर लूप। Now बच्चे, we have so far observed the magnetic field pattern due to straight current carrying conductor. Now here just straight wire is bent in the form of circular loop. Straight wire just bent in the form of circular loop. That is this one, circular loop. Here current is first of all, here draw some circles or concentric circles. And now that is, so straight current carrying conductor के केस में आप मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व कर चुके, दैट इज कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल। नाउ इन द केस ऑफ सर्कुलर लूप, बच्चे आपको पता है कि जो आपका मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न प्रोड्यूस होता है दैट इज डिपेंड्स इनवर्सली ऑन द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द वायर। सो जैसे जैसे डिस्टेंस बढ़ता गया, कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स जो थे उनकी शेप क्या होती गई, बिग होती गई, और वो स्ट्रेट लाइन की फॉर्म में चेंज हो गई। दैट वन इज द शेप ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न इन केस ऑफ सर्कुलर लूप। Write down magnetic field produced by a magnetic field produced by current carrying straight wires, current carrying straight wire depends inversely on the distance from it, depends inversely on the distance from it. Similarly, write down बच्चे, at every point of current carrying circular loop, similarly at every point of current carrying circular loop, concentric circles becomes larger and larger as we move away from the wire. Becomes larger and larger as we move away from the wire. Just note down which. Okay. By the time, note down बच्चे, we reach at the center of circular loop. By the time we reach at the center of circular loop, at the center of circular loop, the concentric circles appear as a straight lines. The concentric circles appear as a straight lines. Note down बच्चे. Okay. ना बच्चे इस केस में जो स्ट्रेंथ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का प्रोड्यूस हुआ वो किन फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है. द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ magnetic field produced in circular loop depends on or directly proportional to the first factor क्या है बेटा, current. Second one is number of turns. Note down. And that one is directly proportional. Here क्या है बच्चे आपका directly proportional. Strength of magnetic field here directly proportional. and inversely proportional to the radius. Now you will understand the meaning of directly proportional and inversely proportional. Just note down the thing. So if you want to increase the strength of magnetic field, then you have to increase the amount of current or increase the number of turns. Magnetic field in this case, number of turns के केस में क्या होता जाएगा, add up होता जाएगा. Or if you want to decrease the strength of magnetic field, then you have to decrease the radius of that part. Note down the thing. Okay. Third one is बच्चे magnetic field pattern due to a solenoid. Write down magnetic field pattern due to a solenoid. First of all बच्चे यहाँ word है solenoid. So what is solenoid? First I mention the question, what is solenoid? So simple answer is बच्चे, write down question, write down बच्चे. Solenoid is a coil of many turns. Coil of many turns of wire wrapped in the shape of cylinder. Wrapped in the shape of cylinder. And magnetic field pattern कैसा प्रोड्यूस होता है बेटा? इन द केस ऑफ सोलेनॉइड दैट इज सिमिलर टू द बार मैग्नेट. सो हियर just draw the diagram. Just mention here. Now magnetic field pattern बचे, that is this one. This one that is similar to the bar magnet. You draw two or more lines. Write down magnetic field pattern magnetic field pattern produced in case of solenoid is similar to that of bar magnet. And you are well known about the pattern that is produced in the case of bar magnet. Just note down बच्चे. Okay. Now in this case बच्चे जो स्ट्रेंथ होगी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड की वो किन फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करती है. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, जस्ट नोट डाउन, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड produced in case of solenoid depends on. फर्स्ट फैक्टर है आपका करंट. इसमें strength of magnetic field क्या है? Directly proportional to the current. If you increase the amount of current, if value of current is increased, strength of magnetic field is also increased. Is also increased. On the other hand, if value of current is decreased, then strength of magnetic field is also decreased. Also decrease. In simple words, you can say that strength of magnetic field is directly proportional to the current, or you can write strength of magnetic field is directly proportional to current. Just note down मुझे. Okay. Second, it depends on the number of turns. It depends on the number of turns. So if number of turns is supposed to be n, then strength of magnetic field is also n times. Means to say that जैसे जैसे numbers of turns increase करते जाएंगे, इस केस में बच्चे करंट क्या होता जाएगा, एड अप होता जाएगा वन बाय वन, और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ भी क्या होती जाएगी, इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. सो हेयर अगेन दैट इज स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड पैटर्न और स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड is directly proportional to number of turns. Note down. Third, it depends on nature of the core material. Nature of the core material. Means to say that बच्चे यहाँ पे अगर आप मटेरियल आयरन यूज कर रहे हो तो इट प्रोड्यूसेस मोर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द कोर मटेरियल. इस मेथड को डिफरेंट सब्सटेंसेस जैसे आयरन है उसको मैग्नेटाइज करने के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. मीन्स टू से दैट व्हेन यू पास द करंट द आयरन गेट्स मैग्नेटाइज्ड और दैट बिकम्स अ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट. नोट डाउन बच्चे. So here nature of the core material, just write down the example. In case of iron, it produces strong magnetic field. It produces strong magnetic field. Note down it. Okay. Now we have so far discussed about the magnetic field patterns produced by different shapes of conductors. Now in the last we discussed about the solenoid and it is used to make an electromagnet. Electromagnet, write down. So our next topic is electromagnet. Electromagnet. I just give you the intro that is made from two words, electro plus magnet. You just think about that and go through the topic. We will discuss it in the next lecture. And if you like my lecture, then please support me and subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel Prosperous Academy. Thank you and have a nice day.